In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to insert a video from your computer into your design. By the end, you'll know exactly where to click and what to look for, so your video shows up in the project without any confusion. First, start by clicking on the shape icon. You'll typically find this along the main toolbar, often near other drawing or media tools. Even though it's labeled for shapes, many editors bundle media options in the same menu to keep everything visual in one place. If you're unsure which one it is, look for an icon that resembles a square, circle, or a basic geometric symbol. Once that panel opens, click on the option labeled image or video. This is the gateway to importing visual media into your project. Some interfaces group images and videos together so you can add either from a single prompt. Selecting this makes the app open your computer's file picker. In the file picker, find the drop-down that filters file types and change it to all files. This step is important because the picker might default to showing only images, which can hide your video. Choosing all files ensures you can see everything in the folder, including common video formats like MP4 or MOV. If your clip doesn't appear right away, double-check this filter and the folder location at the top of the window. Now choose a video from your files. If you're testing the process for the first time, consider selecting a shorter clip so it loads quickly. Take a moment to confirm you've got the right file by looking at the name, size, or preview details. A single click on the file will highlight it so you know what you're about to import. With the correct video selected, click on it to confirm your choice, and then click on Open. This tells the editor to bring the video into your project. Depending on the file size and your computer's speed, you may see a brief loading indicator. That's completely normal. Once it's done, the video will appear in your workspace, ready for you to position, trim, or style according to your project's needs. If you don't see the video after opening, verify you selected all files in the filter. Make sure you are in the right folder and confirm the software supports your video format. Large files may take longer to load, so give it a moment. And that's it. Click the shape icon, choose image or video, switch the filter to all files, pick your video, click it, and hit open. You're all set to bring your visuals to life.